નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6 subject English unit number 5 invention. As you know students, in our previous videos till today we completed our unit 1 to 4. Now today we have to study about unit number 5. Unit number 5's heading is invention. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of our unit's heading. Otherwise, we cannot able to understand the whole unit. So, first of all, invention means what? We have to understand about it. Invention is a noun. To invent is a verb. To invent means what? Here I write. To invent means to design and or create something which has never been made before. To invent means here to design and or create something which has never been made before. We have to make or make anything that which is not available till today. We have to find new things. We have to create new things which is not available till today. So we have to invent something new. We have to find new things which is not available till today. That type of things we find is known as a invent. To invent. Invention means like that. Invention means to find out new things or create new things. Okay? Which is not till available. अभी तक जो अवेलेबल नहीं है वैसी चीज बनाना और क्रिएट करना, इट्स नोन एज ए इन्वेंशन. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? नाउ आइडिया क्लियर रिलेटेड टू अवर यूनिट्स हेडिंग इन्वेंशन. सो टुडे वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट इन्वेंशन इन दिस होल यूनिट. लाइक अदर यूनिट्स, हियर यूनिट नंबर 5 हैव 10 activities we have to complete. All the activities are connected with invention. So we have to study about it. So students, now we require your English textbook. So open your English textbook, unit number 5, invention. Here in your textbook, you can see that picture. One activity number first, picture based activity is given here. We have to understand about that picture based activity, and based on that picture we have to solve the activity. So first of all, I read from the textbook. Just keep attention in your textbook. This unit is about inventions and inventing. This whole unit is about inventions and inventing. Invention and inventing to find out something new. Look carefully at the picture. There are many things in it. Name as many as you can in English. Just you have to observe that picture carefully. From that picture, how many things did you find? You have to write, you have to make a list on downside as given. First of all, observe picture clearly and then find out which type of things can you see from that picture. Okay? You have to observe all the picture clearly, understand about it, which things is used in that picture. You have to find out. Okay? You have to find out from that picture. So, downside picture, one instruction is given, we have to understand about it. In your list, underline all the things that were invented. First of all, you have to make list of all the things you see. Okay? First, for example, I see from here, one building is there, then trees is there, camel is there, one camel cart is there, then I see rickshaw on opposite side, then scooter is there, scooter is lying here, then we can see the camel cart's wheel here, then we see motorbike, we see motor car, purse, one lady is going here, purse is there, then we can see the road. I make a list here, which things is shown in the picture, which things we can see in the picture. I make a list here. First I find building, tree, camel, camel cart, rickshaw, scooter, wheel, motorbike, motor car, purse, road, etc. I will find all the things from that picture. Now what we have to do? In your list, underline all the things that are invented. We have to find out invented thing here. We have to underline invented things. Not already exist on the earth, but it is invented by some human beings. So we have to find out that type of word from that list, and we have to underline it. First of all, building is given here. Building is already exist on earth or by find out by the human being. So building is the one type of invention. So we have to underline building. We have to underline building. Then trees. Trees already existed on earth. It is not one type of invention. So we don't have to do anything on tree. Next thing is that camel. Camel is also existed on earth. We cannot invent a camel. It's a one type of animal. So we don't have to do underline on camel. The next thing is that camel cart. Yes, camel cart is a one type of invention by human being. So we have to underline camel cart here. Camel cart we have to underline. Next thing is that rickshaw. Rickshaw is also invented by human beings. So we have to underline it. Scooter is also invented by human beings. Then wheel is one type of invention created by our ancient people. Motorbike is one type of invention. Motor car is also one type of invention. Purse also invention, and road also invention. So all the things here invented I underline. So you have to make this type of list in your textbook. You have to underline invented things in your textbook. So complete it in your textbook. Here students, our activity number 1 over. Now we have to do activity number 2. Now students, activity number 2 we have to do. Activity number 2's heading is that, do you know who invented the light bulb? Activity 2's heading is that, do you know who invented the light bulb? First of all, it's a one question asked by the author. Do you know who invented the light bulb? We have to find out the answer of that question through this our lesson. So now let's start. Do you know who invented the light bulb? First of all, here in the heading, invented means what? We have to decide. In earlier screen, I write the meaning of invented. Just I rewrite again here. Invented means to design. To design or create something. Create something. Create something which has never been. Which has never been never been made before. Made before. It is known as a invented. It is known as a invented. Can you understand? Invented means to design and or create something which has never been made before. Okay? The meaning clear of invented? Invented means to find out new things which is not existed till today. It is known as a invention, invented to invent. It is the meaning of invented here. So, let's start our lesson line to line. Just open your textbook, activity number 2nd, unit 5th. You have to keep observation in your textbook. Keep attention in your textbook now. First line I read. You may know the name Thomas Edison as its inventor, but often one person is remembered for inventing something that many people helped with. Whenever one question arises in your mind, do you know who invented the light bulb? In your mind, one answer always emerges that the invention of light bulb is done by Thomas Edison Alva. Thomas Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. See here, the picture of Thomas Alva Edison is shown. Just see that picture. It is one of the great scientists, Thomas Alva Edison. Yes. Now, every time, whenever we are talking about light bulb, just we have to answer remain same as a Thomas Alva Edison. Find the light bulb. But often one person is remembered for inventing something that many people have done. Not only one person invented light bulb. Sometimes what's happened? Only one person we remembered as an inventor. But actually that invention requires more people's help. Not only one person do that thing. Many other people's helped in that invention. Okay? Can you understand, student? Here new word inventor is given. Inventor means one who invents. One who invents. One who invents. It is known as a inventor. One who invents, it is known as a inventor. Now next thing we have to understand. Edison didn't really invent the light bulb by himself. Edison didn't really invented the light bulb by himself. Only Edison did not invent the light bulb. Can you know about it? What's happened now? See. He used earlier invention by other people. He only used other people's invention. Who invented light bulb? His invention he take away. Used early invention by other people. Other people invented light bulb. Not Thomas Alva Edison invented light bulb. Now here earlier means what? New word is given here. Earlier means happened before. Happened before. It is known as a earlier. Earlier means पहले कुछ हो गया. पहले कुछ हो गया. It is known as a earlier, happened before. So here Thomas Alva Edison did not find out invented the light bulb, but he used the invention by other people, and he had a large team of people working with him. Not only Thomas Alva Edison is there with that light bulb invention, but many other people are joined with him to make help. Edison did not really invent the light bulb, but he did make it better. Thomas Alva Edison did not invent the light bulb, but he made better that invention created by other people. Earlier people invented light bulb, but Thomas Alva Edison in that helped make a very better invention, make better light bulb. थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन ने लाइट बल्ब इन्वेंट नहीं किया था, मगर उसके अर्लियर पीपल ने वो लाइट बल्ब इन्वेंट किया था। उसको बेटर बनाने के काम में थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। Edison saw a big problem with the earlier invention for light bulb, and Thomas Alva Edison saw the big problem invented by earlier people. Light bulb have a big problem. Thomas Alva find out that big problem from that light bulb. They did not last long enough, and they were not easy to make in large numbers. There are mainly two problems in light bulb invented by earlier people. One problem is that bulb is not last long. Last long means what? Here new words over is given. Last long means to continue, to exist, to continue to exist for a long time, or a long time, for a long time. So here first problem is that light bulb is not last long. It is not run long time. Second problem, they were not easy to make in a large numbers. And then second problem is that there is not easy to make a large amount of that bulb. Large amount of production is not possible. Two problems Thomas Alva Edison find out from that earlier invention, light bulb invention. They made the first light bulb that lasted long enough and could be sold for use in homes. Now Thomas Alva Edison and his team worked on make better that light bulbs and find out that type of bulb that last long, that work long time and could be sold for use in homes and could be easy to use on home. So here Thomas Alva Edison make a better bulb, but bulb already invented by earlier people. वो आगे से ही शोध की हुई चीज है, but Thomas Alva Edison made it easier to use and long lasting bulb. Now next paragraph I read. Do you know any other famous inventors? Do you know any other famous inventor? Perhaps you know who invented the printing press or the telephone? Yes. Perhaps you know who invented the printing press and telephone? Yes, you know about that inventor. These famous inventors saw a problem, just as Edison did. That printing press inventor and telephone inventor saw like that type of problem in a one earlier invented thing and make better things from that earlier things like Thomas Alva Edison do. Edison saw that people need light after dark, but that the light bulbs of other inventors did not last long enough or could not be made cheaply so that many people could have them. Now what do Edison here? Edison saw that people need light after dark. So dark atmosphere is there, so people need light. But that the light bulb invented by other people, earlier people, invented did not last long. They did not work last long or could not be made cheaply. Cheaply means what? Here, new word is given here. Cheaply means for a low price. For a low price means सस्ता होना. तो earlier bulb था वो last long नहीं था और cheaply नहीं था, means very costly is there. So here in Thomas Alva Edison made two things changes in light bulb. Two changes made by Thomas Alva Edison. One thing is that light bulb will be long lasting and it become cheap. So every people can use at their home. So make cheaply and last long. Edison solved the problem. Here Edison do not invent light bulb, but he solved the problem in earlier invention. Inventors solve problems. So inventors means what? Inventors solve was the problem in earlier invention? Can you understand, student? Here our. Do you know who invented the light bulb questions? Answer we get. You have to write new words in your annual book as I written here. So you have to give a heading. Unit number 5, invention, activity number 2. Do you know who invented the light bulb heading? Then new words heading. Then you have to write 5 new words in your annual book. So complete all the words here. Here students, our activity number 2 over. Now next activities we have to see in our next video.
Thank you for joining us